Yes, people, it's a Friday night again, and I'm in the kitchen. So over here, I have some fried plantain, I have some breadfruit, green breadfruit, and I slice it up with fries. And over here again, I have some, what's name again? I have some festival, I'm gonna make some festival. Yeah, and I have some fish. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, fish, then I pot. Same time. That is it, see there? Fish over here, so like the fish there and bun up for me. Yeah. Yes, it's a brown. So I'm gonna take out the fish there now. So because I use one of the fish there already now. Take out some of them. Yeah. So it's a Friday night after a hard day's work. Come home hungry. Now I'm going to go into the takeout thing. Not this evening. So I'll fry some fish. Fish them season up from the other day. Fish them season up from about 2 days now. So I don't know, mad thing. Yeah. See there? Fish. Now they're not burn up. Look on them, they're not burn up. Over here, so. Over here, so. See there? Yeah, so some escovite fish around the thing, you know? Yeah, you know if I go mad. Ow, whoa. The island should come at the same time. So you have to move your hand fast when you're in the kitchen. So, put some fish in the pot. So I'm put season it up with some garlic. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So some big fish, I'm going to slice them. Yes, some big fish. So, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That is it. Holy smoke. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Can't tell the eat. Stay out of the kitchen. My kitchen is hot now. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. Sweat with the kitchen hot. As I say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One fire, hold it fire. You know, so do what you love and love what you do and do it to the best ability. That is it. No normal. It's about what time now? I say what time now? About after 9 or so, you know. And I got laundry. Watch for the same time. Look for some food. So I don't know if you want to attack the same way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is what it's like for a Caribbean boy. Even now, the Jamaican boys no care man, and if you work. So you come in. Because when you buy takeout, it costs them more. You get what I'm saying? When you buy takeout, it costs them more. So, so when I takeout thing, you get what I'm saying? You can have breakfast after this morning. That is it. Over here, so. I have my JBL box of spinning. JBL box of play some music same time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. So now listen some. Yeah. Bumps. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Bumps. So that is what I like. You know, where some in my cup. You know? What's in my cup stays in my cup. Nah, I'm gonna lie. You don't know me in the kitchen on Friday night time. You have to have something in my cup. Give you a vibe, you know? Yeah. So me sweat, kitchen hot. So I'm opening the back door a little bit. Back door. Yeah. Out in the dark. Here's something running around at time like turkle. Like there's a pan on the back so. Yeah, so here's something like some turkle at time. What about turkle over there? Night time they come out, is a turkle. Oh, crab. Crab there. Yeah. Crab man. But the night time I go with the youth them and keep some crab show no. And the rain fall again and say hope a crab will come out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So my back door stay open a little bit. And so I go on my pot. I go on my pot, fish ready to turn. So you know what I do? Fish ready to burn up. Yeah. So just stick and stay with me. And I say, one fire, all the fire. Yeah. So the fish ready to step out now. There's some breadfruit that might come out now. Yeah, breadfruit then crunchy. Really love hot breadfruit then. Take them out fast. They almost burn too. That's what I go on. Come here, this month something. I talk on the phone at the same time. Yeah. In the kitchen I do them thing and I pay enough attention to it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That is it. Now we're fast in the kitchen, you see it? Yeah. So, what you say? Yeah, this is the life of a Caribbean boy, you know. So, big up mommy. Mommy teach me to cook from me about 9-year-old me I cook. You know what I'm saying? Mommy come home, she get her dinner, my mommy alone live one time there. Yeah, big up mommy. You know what I'm saying? Big up mommy. Yeah. My 9-year-old mommy I come and get her dinner from work because I cook. You get me I say? Yeah. Mommy say learn to cook, so now I'm gonna take the liberty of you. Yeah, you know, so you can cook. So now if you just eat what they get, that's why enough of them have bad belly. Because they eat all kind of crap, because they can't do things to themselves. You have to learn to cook. You get me I say? Yeah, because you have to be careful what goes in your belly. Yeah. So big up the man them teaching you to cook. And I make them feel say a woman alone to cook and wash and you get me I say? Do them thing there. A man they can do them thing there too. You get me I say? Yeah. So big up mommy. Nah man, I lie. That is it. See the babes? So the breadfruit them I almost burn them up. See? I almost burn them up, look there. So yellow hot. So then roast fast. Then I itchy roast. The fish look already? Yeah. Yeah. See? I almost burn up the breadfruit then. So now I put on fry the plantain then I'm fry the festival last. Yeah. There's a Friday night feast. Yeah, so take out anything in a pot. Yeah. So fry the plantain now. Plant them are going now. It's a right planting. I'm teaching you how to move your hand fast. I have to learn to move your hand fast. See there? That is it. Put in everything. Come on, done. The planting. That is it. See my fish look? Yeah, that's my fish look. Yeah. That's the fish, I say. Yeah, I'm also my fried breadfruit. Yeah. I say. Yeah, some festival dumpling over this already. Start out. That is it. So stay tuned on going. Yeah, so plantain finished frying. Plantain ready. So we'll turn on my stove because festival them are going now. The festival don't need no high fire. You know what I say? Yeah. Turn on this stove. We done the festival them instead. We burn up. See? But I'll do after the festival. Show off it. But to after the festival them. Yeah. Yeah, see it now? Put on the festival. Use that smartly. See it now? So the kitchen hot. So hot. See, festival. That is it. Yeah. Wash out man, wash out the clothes and then turn on the stove a little bit. Yeah. See first of all in my pot. That is it. You know what I say? Yeah. A little bit, huh? I never make too much because I have a lot to eat. Yeah, I have a lot to eat. Just stick and stay with me. Yeah. Sure, I'm done with everything. See, when I talk about this, when I'm in shop, I burn them up. The man said, I'm burn up the food again, festival them. Yeah, fire too high. Fire too high, fire too high. Don't know start. Almost burn them up, see that again. Pot too hot, so open the pot. Okay. Almost burn them up. Too hot. I almost burn them up, baby. I almost burn them up, festival. John, what's that? Just a little bit more. Yeah, so we'll grab the oil, put some more oil in the pot. I think I'll take oil more. Put more oil in the pot. Not too much neither. Yeah. So stick and stay with me. Put on with the butter and finish our festival then. You see that, peeps? This is how the festival is supposed to look. You see? Yeah. This is supposed to look. Perfect. This is how it's supposed to look, not burn. You see? Get them on the right, so the last one then. Make that. Make that for festival then, pretty nice. Yeah. So practically done here now. Yeah. So So I wash up back when I dirty plate in my sink and we eat some food, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so stick and stay with me. See the peeps, everything done. Right plantain, festival over there, so some of them bun, you know watch that? Green breadfruit over here, so yep. We have some of the fish. So I eat that. You know what I'm saying? That is it. You know what I'm saying? That is it. Yeah. That is it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Do what you love and love what you do. Do it the way you say ability. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna eat some food now.